Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, today is 1st of October 2020, and today is Thursday, and time now is 1:30 in the afternoon. So now I'm going to pour this second stage of concrete boundary wall. So this is the status now. So as you can see, this is the chamfer that I told you yesterday, and the purpose of that is to prevent a sharp edge. So when I remove this formworks after a couple of days or 3 days, then you can see a V shape on that joint. So the volume of concrete I'm gonna put in here is about 16 liters. So basically about 2 buckets of plastic buckets of builder's mix. Yeah, so please stay with me and just do the concreting today. So but first I have to put like a support in here so that the concrete won't go outside. Alright, so I need a nail for this one. Okay, just give you update once this pouring of concrete completed. Bye for now.